At Payaca, we are super excited to announce the release of our integration with the Energy Networks Association's API. This is the ENA API that allows you to make DNO applications and that will be sent to the relevant DNO and you'll get real-time feedback. This is going to cut hours out of the process and make it a super slick journey to installing these technologies. So all you need to do is go to the compliance tab within a Payaca project. When I create an application, I choose the technology. These others will probably be live by the time that you're watching this. We click Get Started, and then what we'll do is pre-populate all the information that we currently have. There's going to be more and more of that as you go along, so over time you'll get to the point where it's going to be super fast just to create the application, send it, and get those real-time updates. So I now need to go through and fill out the remaining parts. Now you can add any existing devices here, but I'm just going to go to the new devices, and then this has a search which makes it very easy to look up the specific device that I need. When I come to select the cutout image, it will pull up any of the files that have already been attached to that specific project. So if somebody in the Field app has gone out and filled that in, taken the photos, you'll be able to select these very easily. When the application goes off, it does run some AI across that image to figure out whether it's the correct image. As I'm going along, it also saves the changes and it will notify me of those changes being saved. So when I'm ready to submit, I simply click the submit button at the top. And now I see real-time updates, so it's pending. If we hang on, we might be able to see that updating. So in this case, it's failed because I've just put in random data, but if it succeeds, you'll get that update likely within a couple of minutes. Now also, we'll send you a notification so you can see if it takes a bit longer, it will give you that feedback very quickly. So anyone who wants to use this, just let us know. We've started to make the heat pump applications, but the solar, battery, EV charge points, they're all coming soon.